So, welcome everybody again to On the Roof with J-Mar. Matt Garza here again on a very particular project. It's a 158-acre property that they have out here just north of Burnet, just outside of Lampasas. This roof is about 44 squares. It is a 24-gauge steel snap-lock burnished slate color. This came from Mueller. This is Mueller steel. We have completely redone all of the walls. This was a remodel barn that has turned into a really huge project now. The window trim is an intricate piece of this whole structure because it's something that I designed so that we would absolutely be able to install wall panels and your flashing around your window so that if your window ever breaks, you're able to fix whatever the problem is with the window, reattach it without ever having to mess with all of the wall system. On the back wall, as you can tell, we had our snap-lock system, which we then put head wall flashing to transition back to our snap-lock system. All of this had to be done in succession. You have to start from the bottom wall and then back to the roof, and so that everything is covering and you stay watertight throughout the entire install. Back here, as you can tell, we have one hip, and then the intricate part of the roof comes into play on the back side. We installed wall flashing over on this wall where it absolutely needed to be done and covered up and brought out to the width of what we were running as far as our PVR walls. Jumping to the other side, we basically have the same thing going on, except we have a transition area up here with a valley that ties into it. This is a living quarters area of this barn remodel. The other half is going to be used for a shop. We also did head wall flashing over on this wall where we did a turn back with the steel up underneath so that we ensured water tightness and made sure that the water flow here is correct and does not gather and cannot leak behind what we have installed. As you could tell, the front side of this building has not been completed because we got just a few things left to do. We're waiting on some steel to come in, and as soon as that steel is in, we will be finishing up this project, and it's going to be a great one. Thank you so much for joining us with On the Roof with J-Mar. I'll catch you next time.